Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to share with you a very important information or tips on how you can access Facebook Studio. Here I am already in the Facebook Studio right here, and I'm going to access my page right away. My page is Macheng, so I will simply click Macheng right there. So I already come to Facebook Studio, or what we call Meta Business Suite. So what I want us to do is here we have this thing called monetization. You can see monetization right here. You just simply click that and you are going to see some of the information that can help you when you want to monetize your Facebook page. So let me simply imagine you have 10,000 followers right now and you do not know what others policy you have violated, or you did not violate anything, or when can you be able to earn money on Facebook page. The thing is, what you gotta do, you need to know that there are some issues that you have to consider. Let's say you don't have to make your page to be one of the page that do not follow the Facebook policy. There are policies that you got to follow in order for you to qualify for your page to be monetized. I have a way of showing you how you can be able to avoid that. So all you got to do right now is access the Facebook suite before we go to other way of how we can be able to see this way of knowing which rule you violated, okay, and how can you fix that. So right now let's go back into our Facebook page. This is my Facebook page right here, and what I have here, I have the page itself, which is this one. So this is my page. I can simply click home. Okay, so from there you are going to see all the information that I have right here. So what we need right here, we do not need anything from you. Let's simply go direct into where we can access the Facebook Meta Business Suite. Right here we have these things right here, Meta Business Suite. You simply have to click that, and then it will take you to the place where you can be able to go to monetization, and also you can access other useful information on how you can use a Facebook page. Okay, now we are here. So this is what we have right here. We have notification, planner, content, insight, inbox, monetization, ads, all tools, and so many more, right? So anyway, I'm not going to talk about the rest of the thing. All I want you to understand is how you can be able to know the monetization. So monetization right here, you can see it here. You simply have to click monetization, and we are going to see this. Okay, let's say it told me that your Meta business account. Okay, this is what I have. Okay, business account, bring your Facebook page, Instagram account, and the people who work on them together, so you can manage them all in Business Suite. So what I have here, I already connected my things with the Instagram, right? And that might be the reason why they are showing us this. So I already connected. So this is my business admin, which is Chankosnyek. So this is what I have. That's my business admin. So now I can simply say done, because I do not want to edit anything. So what we are seeing here, it is my Instagram Nerd Online, and this one right here, it is my Facebook page. So I already connect them. Whenever I post on Instagram, the Instagram will also post it on my Facebook page. So there you go. So you can do the same also. Whatever you post on Instagram, it will also be posted on Facebook page automatically. So it's just up to you to connect your Facebook page together with your Instagram. So I will simply click done, because I do not want to change anything right here. Okay, okay, get started or whatever. Okay, let me simply get started. So you can see right here. Okay, let me log in, guys, no problem. Okay, okay, so we can simply log in clicking this thing. Okay, so we can wait a little bit. Okay, so I understand this. Okay, just another tips that can allow you to do some things. Okay, but for now I'm not gonna do that, you guys. I'm gonna see you later. So here we have, we are on this page right here. We have something very important that you gotta understand right here. We have this thing called viewer page eligibility. You can see that here, right? So after clicking the monetization, and this is this page right here will appear, it will come. So all you gotta do, you click view page eligibility, or you can simply see this thing right here. Let me push these things away. Okay, we have this thing called details right here. You can see the detail right there, and we have view page eligibility. So what we are going to check out right now is view page eligibility right here. So after you click that, you are going to see the policy that you violated, if you violated any rules, any Facebook rule. So let's say like me, I already I have issue right here. I don't know that, but I'm gonna find out. So here, not eligible, it said, okay, last estimated on 17 October 2022, updated daily. So I mean that I always keep updating my Facebook page all the time. So in order for me, for Facebook to keep me on their company, so I have to be able to do all these things that I want to do, because I want my page to be monetized when they reach 10,000 followers and the rest of the requirements. So here, let's go direct into this place. You haven't met the criteria to apply for monetization tool access. So it means that whatever I have here, what you are seeing right here, it means that I'm not eligible. So that's why I'm having this red warning right there. Okay, so these are the requirements. It says here policy issues, okay, and some of them. So right here we have in-stream ad for on-demand, fan subscription, in-stream ad for live. Okay, so I already show you guys this thing on my last video, my first video. Yes, so here we have follow-up policies, partner monetization policies. This page isn't following our partner monetization policy, so we mean that I cannot be monetized. This is one. So we are going to see the policy issue. Okay, so second to that, we have followers. How many followers do I have? 29%. We mean that I got to climb up, okay, in order for them to reach 100. Without having 10,000 followers, Facebook will not monetize, will not allow me to be monetized on their company. So this is one thing that you have to put in mind. You need 10,000 followers for you to be accepted by the Facebook company. So this is one. The other very important thing is here, this one, eligible minute viewed. Without having 600,000 on demand, live, and previously live minute view, not including the boost. Let's say you boost a Facebook video and you hit maybe 10,000 views or whatever, the Facebook company will not include those. So those are simply for advertisement. They do not accept, they do not consider videos that are being boosted or being paid for advertisement in order for other people to view them. So what they need organic viewers, people who simply find your information and view it instead of you paying for them. So you need 600,000, all right, live minutes view. Okay, so here you need 600,000. Like let's say like me now creating engaging content, I have only 2%. We mean that I remain with 98%. You see, that is a long way journey. So I got to upload more videos in order for me to reach that level. Okay, so if you are somebody who already reached this level, we mean that thank God you are done. So all you gotta do is that just apply it. Okay, and again, remember to change the location, because your country might not be eligible for monetization. Some countries are not eligible. So if you live in some city, so you better check which country is already been accepted on Facebook. So you got to do that. So there you go. So this is where you can be able to find out the Facebook monetization status, or how you can be able to apply for you to gain something on Facebook. Okay, so let me find out on in-stream ad for on demand what policy I violated. Let me click this one, see policy issues. I'm going to see the policy issues that Facebook has already been showing me. Okay, now here we have. You may be at risk for monetization restriction. That's what they told me right here. You can see that they already been giving me a way of how I can be able to request them to review my page, because if I already violated their terms, you know Facebook got terms. Okay, so if you violated the rule, which means that you cannot be able to be monetized, like I said. But now they have given you option that did you change from the policy, or did you respect the policy that we tell you to respect? So if you say yes, we mean that you have to send them a message that telling them that please try to review my page again, so because you already removed the policy which did happen, or which you made already, which you violated on previously. So after that, when you did wrong thing, all you gotta do is that you have to request a review. You have to send them a review. Let's say like me right now, I can simply click request another review so that they can see if I violated any rule on my Facebook page. So the same thing goes to you. Can do the same way. You can send them a review so that they can allow you. Because what you are seeing this yellow color right here, this warning. Okay, so if yours is red, that means that it is bad. Okay, it is very bad. So all you gotta do is that keep your Facebook page in a good health. Okay, this is what I will recommend you to do today. So the next move is simply request another review. Let's say, let me click simply request another review, because I already delete all the policy or the rule that I violated, that I did not know that I violated them. Okay, so all we gotta do is that accept, read and understand Facebook rules for monetization. Let me simply read it once. Okay, let me read it once. Okay, request another page review. Matching as monetization violation that may affect its ability to earn money. If you think that we got it wrong, you can request another review. Page violation will be reviewed. We review your page for the following violations. Video and event violation will not be reviewed, as well as violation not listed above. You can learn more and request another review for videos, event, and other violation in the recent violation section. So it means that if you agree that you did not violate another policy, all you gotta do is that you send them a request. Like mine, I already accept the term, and then I'm simply have to request the review. So there we go. So now review request submitted. You will be notified by email when the review is complete. Review usually take 2 up to 3 working days to complete, but some violation may require more time. It means that if your violation is more than what they expected, it will take longer for them to send you a message that you do not have any violation. But if your violation is small, or you did not violate any rule, it means that it will only take 1 to 2 days. Okay, otherwise it will take longer for them to review your page. So up to here, you have any question, please drop it there, and thank you for watching. God bless you. Please keep your page into good health. Bye bye.